Well, when I was initially looking at universities, I went to a few open days around the country. Something that struck me about Aberystwyth compared to the other universities I looked at was how genuine the whole thing seemed.
Just the thought of having a university that felt really cosmopolitan, really quite modern attitudes, but in a really small rural area as opposed to living in a city, was what at first attracted me.
Aberystwyth as a whole, I think, is a beautiful place. It's got some views here that you would never see anywhere else in the world. It's such a friendly environment and a great research environment.
In the early years, it's quite broad subjects. So you start off with classical physics and thermodynamics and electromagnetism and very fundamental properties.
We had a lot of math modules, obviously, because as part of physics you do a lot of maths anyway.
I studied the astrophysics course. I've always enjoyed space, like all children do. They want to be astronauts.
My physics that I studied was just general physics, so it had a lot of lab time. We did a lot on semiconductors, electronics. We also did coding and a bit of theoretical physics, including quantum.
I quite liked that you could select some computer science modules even though you're doing physics, or that you could select astro modules, because during my first year I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to go into.
The lecturers here are fantastic. You can go to them any time of the day basically with a problem, and they're more than willing to let you have a seat and talk through each problem that you have. If I have a problem related to their research field, I can just knock on their office and they're more than willing to sit down with me for 1 or 2 hours and explain it all thoroughly.